Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset all settings on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. There's something you would do which is going to reset the settings themselves and not delete any of your data. So first thing you're going to start by doing is swiping up or finding this settings app. Now once you find the settings app here, you're going to scroll down until you see the option for basically general management. Now under general management here, you're going to scroll down until you see reset. So you're going to tap on reset. And in the reset section, there is a section for different resets. And the reset that you're looking for is reset all settings. So what happens is with the reset all settings on your phone will get reset except security settings, language setting, accounts, personal data, and settings for your downloaded apps. So this is a quick way to reset certain settings that you may think can possibly causing problems on your phone, or if you just want to go back to the original settings, however, keep your data on the phone. So you're going to click on reset settings and then enter your phone's PIN code or password, and then finally you get that option. And to apply the new settings, it will restart your phone as well. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.